Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make 4-grid reels on Instagram. This creative format lets you combine 4 distinct video clips into a single, engaging reel, perfect for showcasing different angles or a sequence of events. It's a fantastic way to elevate your content and capture your audience's attention with a unique visual presentation. We'll walk through each step, from preparing your content to sharing your finished reel, making the process straightforward and fun. Before diving into the editing, gather your 4 video clips or images. It's crucial that these pieces work well together, perhaps telling a story or showcasing different aspects of one topic. Aim for consistent quality across all your selections to ensure a polished final product. Think about the order and how each clip transitions into the next, creating a cohesive and engaging viewing experience for your audience. Now, let's assemble your grid. You'll need a video editing app that offers a multi-panel or grid feature. Import your 4 prepared clips into the application. Carefully arrange each video into its designated quadrant of the 4-panel layout. Take your time to adjust the timing of each clip, ensuring they play smoothly and in sync, or create an interesting visual rhythm. This step is where your 4 individual pieces truly become one unified reel. Once your 4-grid reel is perfectly assembled, it's time to export it. Choose a high-resolution setting to maintain video quality. Then, open your Instagram app and select the exported video to create a new reel. Don't forget to craft an engaging caption that tells your audience about your content and include relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Finally, pick an eye-catching cover image to make your reel stand out on the feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.